list, and we're also thinking about private parties where everyone can choose the music. All right, how to make money from it? Basically, we're starting with a monthly subscription for the service, which will be paid by the pub owners, so they can choose a subscription for our service and pay monthly. The first 2 or 3 months will be free, of course, because we'll have people used to we'll wait for the people to get used to this new idea. There is also the possibility for the customers to purchase credit for playing songs. Let's say we'll offer the first 10 songs will be for free, and then they can purchase credit for playing songs. But initially, I think the best choice will be to keep it free for the customer. So only a subscription from the pub. All right, how it works? Let's say I want to go to a pub which I know have this special application. I can download the application. Each pub will have a QR code, and I will scan this code. Once I have this code, my application will know what pub I'm in. Then I will be presented with the current playlist, and I will choose the next song to be played. Let's see how it looks. We have some screencasts. Okay, so I have the playlist. I can choose one song, and I will send a request to the server, and if everything's okay, I have an answer saying that my song has been selected and will be played in a certain amount of time. I can also see what's playing now, and I see my track has been added to the queue. We were thinking that we'll have a certain interval of time, let's say 15 minutes between the requests, in order to not have one customer send too many songs too fast. There's something wrong with our slide. Well, the value we are adding, I think the pubs or the restaurants will have more happy customers, and this will also increase the time spent in the cafe or the restaurant by the customer. Okay, the road to market. We will contact the pub owners. We'll talk with them live if possible, if not by the traditional, let's say, ways like phone emails, and also by social media. Yes, we already talked with...
Okay, thank you very much, Virtual Jukebox, and big round of applause for them. So, please, ready the next team? It's for questions now. You have 3 minutes.
Okay, so my first question would be regarding the music. Do you own the rights, like, or how will the restaurants be allowed to
yes, we're thinking about having good music from YouTube played. I think it's legal to have a player in a pub which plays YouTube music from YouTube. So
should we check legally?
Well, I think it's legal. I saw it in several places, and I think it's legal. It's not MP3s or something like that. And we can also have some playlists already defined by us for like jazz or rock or pop, so they can already choose something playlist. They will not have to define their own playlist.
Give the values to the bars, why don't you charge the bars instead of the clients?
The bar?
What was the reason to charge the visitors and the clients?
No, that is an alternative, but the main revenue will be from bars owners. Yes, they will pay to have access to the service.
And how many bars you have been talking this weekend? In Cluj or somewhere else?
Only in Cluj, yes. We talked with like 3 pub managers, and we have some positive feedback. One of them said this will be the future, and he was pretty enthusiastic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And the next team presenting is Offera.
Hey guys, my name is Valentin. So first of all, I'm very glad we have been here at the Startup Weekend, and I would like to very much appreciate my colleagues, right? Adi and Mihai, very good job guys, I really thank you. So what I like to ask you guys is, I know I like making gifts and receiving gifts and partying alike. So what I like to ask you and talk to you about today is gifts and parties, right? So please tell me, how many of you guys like contribute on a monthly basis to an event? I don't know, birthday, whatever, bachelor party, whatever. How many of you guys? Let's say once a month, right? Okay, there's a lot of people. And twice a month. Great, 3 times a month? Okay, so we can go on like 4 to 5 times a month. That's great, right? So that's it. There's a lot of people contributing. So what I'd like to talk to you about today is a way of doing this online. So what I want to present to you today is Offera. Offera is an online project that helps to put people together when they like to make this kind of contributions, right, in a group, and hopefully give them a possibility to not have worries about like what gift to offer and stuff like that, right? So what problems are we actually solving by having this done? Well, there are a few. Like, first of all, a lot of us were losing time if we will go ahead and hand over the money. So the time spent with gathering money for gifts, right? Then there's also the stress with choosing the perfect gift, and there's also the fact that small gifts in an individual manner, like less attractive, right? So we want to have that solved, right? Now, how are we solving this? Well, first of all, we have the payment system integrated, which allows us to have the online gifting mechanism, and having the suggestion engine that we're going to build, and the suggestion zone of your friends, and some wish lists integration that your friends can create on the platform. We can have less worries about receiving, about what to buy actually, and we're actually solving the value of it. We're going to create a higher value gifts, right, by doing this. Okay, so let's see exactly what are the benefits of doing this. There are pretty much though. There's a cool and easy way, and I'm going to show you at the end why I'm saying that. A cool and easy way to contribute, even if we're in another part of the world, right? Many of us have friends abroad, so be aware of what will be bought for that friend. Offer and get suggestions, more valuable gifts, and never forget to make a gift because the platform allows you to receive suggestions, right? So, competition. I would say fuck competition, that won't resolve anything. So, there's crowdfunding, already exists gifting platform suggestions, wish lists. However, we're targeting Romania, and there's no such thing as such a product in Romania, right? And Romanians like to make gifts, I know it. Okay, how are we going to monetize this? We're using the affiliate programs that already are out there, like, for example, profit share to Două Parale, and get money from all the purchases acquired through us, and get discounts from the promoted products, eventually from our partners. And we can also we also thought about native advertisement platforms, like cost per view. Okay, so what I want to present now, it's also, I said it's cool and easy, and we're going to show exactly why we think it's cool and easy. So, we managed to put together. Okay, so make it the easy way, we say, right? And we have some cheerful people there, and basically some steps: create event, invite people, offer the gift. But in order to create, actually, let's have a be generous. Adi, go and be generous. Okay, so actually create an event. Just type in a name. Okay, let's be quick. You only got 1 minute, Adi. And you're gonna go, and you get up on the page. Okay, there seems to be some misalignment, no problem. We end up on a page where we actually see the events created, and we have the details, the member, and the suggestions, right? So you have Nick's bachelor party, we have the day, we have the money we want to get, we have the description, and we also have the members. Let's go to the members. We have here the members that we invited, right? We can invite more friends. We can find them by mail, by Facebook accounts, right? And here that we can see the money that each of the person contributed to the gift. And we also have some suggestions that everybody can align, right? We said about suggestions. So I guess like strippers, like, I don't know, microwave or whatever. So we eliminated the words of what can we buy for that person, right? And the suggestion engine which we're gonna be in is gonna be much faster and much cooler because we're gonna scrape a lot of information over the internet and it's gonna provide us a lot of info about it, right? So that's it. Hope you like it and use it.
Questions, please, for the team? Judges, you have 3 minutes.
Let's go ahead. Great, no question.
You didn't mention how you're going to make money on it.
Yeah, we said that we're gonna have.
Can you say?
Yeah, sure. So basically, when people are gathering money on the websites, right, they're offering suggestions. Okay, so we got like a Mac, for example. It's got a lot of products. They say they want to buy a microwave. So if they gather money and they go ahead and buy with affiliate cookies set by us directly online with the money used, because we actually transfer the money in their account, we actually get money from their affiliate program because they're purchasing online using our affiliate cookie. Okay, so basically that's it.
I like the idea. My question would be: did you analyze the possibility to integrate with something like a social network? Because I see it very a good matching.
Yes, there is the possibility of, as I said, when inviting friends, you can invite them over Facebook, over G+, like over LinkedIn, mail. So there's going to be a lot of possibility to attract people in order to put this. We're not looking to actually depend a lot on these platforms, but we're looking to use them in the future in order to gather more information about the user, right? We're also hoping that actually friends provide us information about the users, right? More accurate information, which will help us improve the search and the suggestion engine that we're going to build. Thank you.
Marketing, road to market, how people get to know about you.
Yeah. So first of all, you see that the gift initiators are actually our promoters, right? So we'll do some marketing, like online marketing, right, ads and stuff like that, but we are actually looking to use our customers to be our promoters. So I invite a lot of people. I don't know, a normal user right now on Facebook has got like 500 friends, he keeps contact with, I don't know, 100, right? So he usually invites 10. If those 10 persons, only 5 of them create another gift and invite another 10, then you can just imagine how that scales up.
What have you done so far to validate your idea?
To what?
To validate your idea.
Yeah, so especially not individual groups within our society. Like for example, I'm part of the salsa society, which is very big, like 2,000 of people in Romania, right? So almost every week, at least once or 1 or 2 birthday parties are celebrated, right? So we got that. We also got like a lot of very good input from people around me, and I've seen like a lot of Facebook conversations beginning on these subjects especially. So we have to start a conversation, invite a lot of friends to pitch in, right?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much again. The next team who is going to present is Lycra.
Hello, I'm Alan, and I'm very glad to be here. I represent my team, and we've done Life Run. we've asked ourselves, why do we need such an app? And one of the questions was, what if you could do most of your fun activities outside? Or what if you could challenge your friends and do some things that are considered memorable? Or what if you could interact in a more organic or seamless way? And by that I mean you could actually meet your friends. We started a survey and asked more than 150 persons and received over 50 feedbacks that responded to some questions. One of those questions was, would you use an app together with your friends? And the answers were right there. 61% of the people responded positive. The other one is, do you consider the app to be helpful in bringing you together with your friends? And again, we had yes if we do all sorts of fun activities, and yes if it would be helpful. Given the facts, we came at Startup Weekend Cluj and started working. And we worked. And we took a lot of breaks because we need to eat, as some say. And worked and had fun while working. And by combining all the information, we got the idea. It emerged the final product. We present you Liferun. With you in mind, we created an experience. We don't want to bring an app, but we want to bring an experience to users. And you should take that experience and share it with your friends, because an experience is worth if you have someone to share with. By focusing on a clear and lightweight platform and great deal of quality, we have you in mind when we say that an experience like this has never been done before. In the right, you could see some pictures with the working app. And together with your friends, you are able to connect in a more seamless way by meeting each other. That's the way you connect with the Liferun. And here comes the great part. When you and your friends start a challenge and you complete it, you are rewarded life points. What you do with those life points, you buy all sorts of discounts. That's the way we try to monetize the app by purchasing life points or having in-app purchases. Come join us, because the world is your playground. But wait, let us take a glance at how the app works. Here we have the startup, and in my pocket, if I may, I have a working model with the app. If I can start. Oh, it has a lock screen. I'll leave it here, and my assistant will come and unblock it. This is the splash screen. This is the Liferun, where you will connect with your Facebook account. These are your interests, and you can pick up them, and you will receive recommendations of challenges. And this is your profile. Well, you're all ready to go. We have the news feed. Okay. Liferun. We have it. Here, if you may. Thank you. Login is paid. Okay, this is the news feed. These are the settings. We have news, challenges. As I said, you accumulate life points. We press on a challenge, and again, settings, map, where you can see all your friends. The friends are colored based on their points, on their level. Green for easy, yellow for medium, red for hard. A friend, profile, and logout. Thank you for watching.
So is this Facebook, or how is it different from Facebook?
This app is different from Facebook because it encourages users to get outside of the house. They must make a task, a challenge, together, and then by creating a community, they will be endorsed or vouched for by their friends, and that's the way they will receive the points. The community will be validating the point.
What's the monetization plan?
The monetization plan is really, really easy. We could have in-app purchases for different discounts, or we could do sort of some contracts with local sponsors or companies that would want to benefit from the media. We will sell, or we could have ads. That's the last thing we want. We don't want ads in our apps. So
So the main idea is to put challenges and to send them to a friend of yours, or what's the main mechanics behind that?
The mechanics behind the app is that we set up challenges and you do the challenges with your friends, and in that way you accumulate life points. And with life points you get several discounts. You can do, when you achieve a certain level, you can do higher things like skydiving with your friends. Or
how do you make that applicable to a lot of people? I might be in the winter and somebody plays it in summer.
We based our challenges to the local city. We based our challenges to Cluj right now, and the challenge